In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make A4 size in Canva, the easy tutorial. If you've ever needed a document that prints perfectly on standard paper, A4 is the go-to size in many regions. It measures 210 by 297 millimeters, and using the exact preset in Canva saves you from guessing measurements or dealing with awkward cropping later. Let's walk through the quickest, most reliable way to set this up so you can start designing right away. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your recent designs and recommended formats. If you're in a design already, head back to the dashboard so you're starting fresh. From here, look to the top left and click Create. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Create a Design. Clicking this opens a panel designed to get you into the right size instantly, without any manual resizing. In the search bar that appears, type A4. This is the key step because it brings up Canva's ready-made A4 options. You'll see choices for both portrait and landscape orientation. Portrait is taller than it is wide, which is great for letters, reports, and typical print pages. Landscape is wider than it is tall, perfect for menus, schedules, or visual layouts that need extra horizontal space. Pick the orientation that suits your project best. There's no need to enter custom dimensions or tinker with settings. The preset takes care of all of that for you. As soon as you select your orientation, Canva creates a new design at the exact A4 size. You'll land on a blank canvas, ready to go. Because you chose a preset, you're already working at the correct dimensions, which helps ensure clean printing and consistent layout from screen to paper. If you're planning to add images or graphics, design confidently knowing your canvas is set to a recognized standard. And if you decide later that you'd prefer the other orientation, you can always start another A4 version and move your content over. But for now, the important part is that your size is correct from the start. That's all it takes. Open Canva, click Create, search for A4, choose Portrait or Landscape, and your design is created automatically with the right dimensions. No manual adjustments, no complicated setup, just a fast, dependable workflow. Now you can focus on your content, whether it's a flyer, a letter, or a clean, printable document. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!